Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I will tell you how to replay view one's photo on Instagram. Now you need to know that from its name, it's named view once only. So when you come back and open your Instagram and go to the conversation that has the photo that has been sent once, when you click on it, actually, you will not be able to see the video or the photo again. So this, in fact, cannot be done. But here I will tell you a quick trick in order to do that. First, when you go and click on view the photo for once, you can take a screenshot. If you cannot take a screenshot, you can get another phone and take a screenshot or take a photo of the another phone and you will be able to see the photo again. Or simply hover over the photo, hold on it, then click on reply and ask the person to send the photo back again. So this is how you can actually do it. This is the only method. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.